Happy to be back out here again, riding through Central Park, Burnaby this morning. So we got a 10-kilometer ride, supposed to be for 42 minutes. So let's see how long we do it. Today I'm taking you all along on a special ride from Burnaby to Vancouver. You see, today's ride is more than just a bike ride for me. It's a major part in my journey back to a more active and healthy lifestyle. Since COVID, I guess we can all blame COVID. I've gained a bit of weight over the past couple of years, and cycling has become my way of reconnecting with my body, with this beautiful city, and my mental health. And I've decided to share it here with you all because it keeps me accountable. So thanks for coming along for the ride. I started off today's ride at Patterson Station in Burnaby. If you're familiar with this area, you know it's a great launch point for cyclists who are heading west. From here, we'll be riding through Central Park, which happens to be, coincidentally or not, one of my favorite green spaces in the region. The towering trees, the wide pathways, and as I cruise through Central Park, it's kind of flat, stable, nice gentle pace to get into it. Whenever I ride here, it reminds me that Burnaby and Vancouver are connected by more than just roads. There is a whole network of trails that gives a completely different view of the city, and I'm happy to bring you all on that ride with me. Fast lanes calling, hear the hum. Engine sings a beating drum. Lights flashing, carving the breeze. Driving wild with hearts to please. On this journey bound we ride. Open roads and hearts collide. Every mile a story told. Asphalt dreams in colors bold. Good morning. Leaving Central Park, I'm just merging on to the BC Parkway. If you've never ridden this parkway, it stretches all the way from New West to Vancouver, and it is part of Metro Vancouver's what you would consider backbone for cyclists. It's a great way for you to get some serious distancing while staying mostly separated from car traffic. The bike pathway runs parallel to the SkyTrain, and as such, constantly coming in contact with vehicles or drivers who sometimes feel like they're all out to kill you. Wow. Just a few minutes in, I feel it already. That's what happens when you leave biking, the biking leaves you too. Whew. I feel the burns. This is Joyce Collingwood Station. Whew. I want one of those. I'm like, don't do it. Whew. That's where the e-bike really shines. Here. Whew. You see, when you're climbing, that's when you ask yourself, did I make the right decision to bike? but I know that for my overall health, it's better. So I'm gonna do it. I'm going to stick to it. Okay.
Engine hums a sweet refrain. Life's a journey, not in vain.
I want one of those. I said I want one of those.
Oh, really? Yeah, it was a promo.
Oh, okay.
Like 6 months ago, they made it just $1,000.
No way.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to get one for my wife, so so she can keep up with me when we ride.
Yeah.
So, okay, I'll keep an eye out. Thank you.
Yeah.
Have a nice ride. Wow, rad bikes for $1,000. Those things cost $2,500 easy.
Speed under skies that never sleep. We'll spin on roads where secrets keep. Palm trees sway into the beat so tight. Shadows chase sun through the neon light. Feel the rhythm, ride the lane. Every twist a pleasure plane. Engine hums a sweet refrain. Life's a journey, not in vain. Golden sand stretches for miles unseen. Tires cut through earth so green. Horns place.
On this stretch, I'm just going to be focusing more on breathing and just enjoying the ride as a whole. One of the things I love about cycling is it's a very, very meditative sport. As you pedal, it almost feels like a rhythm at some point. And each scenery passes by just like frames in a film. And you feel completely encapsulated in the moment, living the moment as it were. And for someone like me who's on a journey to reclaim his health, these are like golden moments that let you enjoy nature as you also take part in a physical activity. It's not about speed, it's not about mileage, it's just about showing up, being consistent, being happy, and trying to stay healthy, trying to stay alive.
Chasing control.
As I roll into Vancouver, there's this feeling of accomplishment. I know it's only a few kilometers from Burnaby, less than 10 kilometers that I've done this morning, but mentally, it feels like I'm crossing a finish line. And getting here by bike feels so much more different than driving or taking transit. You get to notice all the little details, you know, the shops, the coffee shops, the cafes, the murals, the hidden parks that you probably would not have seen before, the streets that you probably would never have imagined, and just those very little things that you would not have thought about previously. Now, all that fun I had descending, now this is the time I have to pay for it. So yeah, imagine I have to stop completely here and then resume again. Like, it's gonna hurt. Thank you. She recognized that I'm climbing a hill. She slowed down. Yeah. Whew. I know I'm gonna get better at this. I know for sure. But how long it's gonna take, I don't know. But for now, I'm still doing it. So oftentimes, all you see are the drivers who don't wait, who don't give bikers way. But a few times when we do, we should also say thanks to them. So, my thighs are gone.
Blanket of gold. Turn left with wonder, turn right with soul. On roads uncharted, chasing control. Feel the rhythm.
I have no idea I'm going through this, but I'm just. This is Vancouver City Hall. It's just a bit of like moment of reflection for me. Sharing this on YouTube is my way of staying honest with myself. When I hit record, it means I'm committing to showing up. It pushes me. And I know there are a bunch of people out there as well who want to get back into shape, or maybe who feel like they're falling off their healthy routines. Please feel free to blame COVID, but then get out and do something about it as well. I want this ride to inspire you too. So start small, find an activity you enjoy, whether it's biking, whether it's walking, whether it's running, anything. Get out, do it, start small, and just build on it. No matter how slow it might be, progress is progress. Like I said in my coming back video, you have to shake an eye. Like, act as though you have no choice but to do it, and you'll find yourself, sort of getting better for it. I hate that I'm going off the tangent and I'm feeling like some motivational speaker right here, but it's much of a motivation for myself than it is for you guys. So thanks for joining me on this beautiful ride, this beautiful morning. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let the algorithm see it and like it, and just it helps me stay motivated basically, and it tells me that you're enjoying the content I'm dropping. If you're on your own health journey too, leave a comment below. Let's tag team together. Let's build a community of accountability and encouragement. Until next time, keep moving, keep riding, stay safe, and keep enjoying your ride. I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.
Where the air and dreams endlessly meet.